certified most accurate by Weather Rate. Now your First Warn 5 forecast with meteorologist Claire Cameron.
Well, good morning, Mid-Michigan, and happy Sunday. Yesterday, we saw that beautiful sunshine, temperatures almost reaching the 60s. Today, not quite as warm, but not quite as sunny, but we'll call it decent out there. There's no rain showers or snow showers on your First Warn 5. Pinpoint Doppler radar at NBS Live in 3D. We are dry across the board out there this morning. Should be smooth sailing on any of those roadways. Let's take you outside and show you a live picture in Bay City, where the current temperature is 37 degrees, feeling closer to 32 degrees. We do have a north wind around 7 miles per hour, so just a light breeze out there, and you can just see the sky starting to lighten just a little bit as we get a little bit closer to sunrise. Should be a beautiful day to get outside, enjoy it. Just a touch cooler out there. Let's take you out to temperatures elsewhere across the region, where most of us pretty mild start to the day in the upper 30s. 37 your current temperature this morning in Saginaw, 35 degrees in Carroll, and 35 also your current temperature this morning in Port Hope, 36 degrees in Mount Pleasant. Highs today going to be climbing into the lower 40s for a few locations. You may make it into the mid 40s if you're a little farther south, closer to the Flint area. So it is going to be a little cooler today. Not going to be seeing those 50s, but still pretty decent, mild for this time of the year in the 40s. Let's take you out to your First Warn 5 Sky Tracker, show you what we have planned for today. Going to notice an increase in that cloud cover. Not going to be enjoying quite as much sunshine. We'll call it decent because we are going to be dry, and those temperatures will be on the mild side. Really not too much to worry about there. Let's take you through it together hour by hour. Starting off this morning, it is going to be dry. As we head towards the afternoon, you may see a few breaks in the clouds, so we're not going to rule out the fact that you are probably going to see a little bit of some sunshine out there this afternoon. It'll just come in a little bit of some broken pieces here and there. As we head towards this evening, going to notice an increase in clouds. Now, there is a very slight chance that we could see maybe one or two areas of some very light flurries out there through the overnight hours, as we do have a cold front passing through mid-Michigan. This cold front is very weak, and it does not have a lot of moisture to work with. That is why we think we're going to be staying dry. There's just a very slight chance again for maybe one or two small flurries as we head through the overnight hours into the beginning of the day on Monday. And then we are drying out for Monday, but it is going to be much cooler. We're talking back to reality highs, only topping out in the lower 30s, right around the freezing mark for you on Monday. But plenty of sunshine out there, so that'll help even it out just a little bit. 40 degrees, that's going to be your overall high for today. More clouds and a little bit cooler out there. Winds will be on the light side, coming in from the north-northeast, 5 to 15 miles an hour. You could maybe catch an occasional gust around 18 miles an hour later on this afternoon. We are dropping down to 20 degrees overnight. That's back to right around normal for this time of the year. Mostly to partly cloudy. I think we will clear out just a little bit as we head towards Monday morning. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. In your 7-day forecast days, those last day of those mild temperatures, because as soon as tomorrow we're back to reality with our average temperatures. Monday going to be 31 degrees, 37 degrees on Tuesday. As we head in towards Wednesday and Thursday, that's when we start to see a little bit more in the way of activity here in mid-Michigan. Going to be noticing snow showers work the way in Wednesday night into Thursday, some of which could be a little bit on the heavier side. We're still working out some of the kinks in that system as it continues to evolve. And then we're sticking in the 30s, 39 degrees on Wednesday, 32 on Thursday, and 30 degrees on Friday.
Well, I thought with 50-degree temperatures, we were done with snow.
I thought we were too, but we're not done just yet. We still have at least a couple more weeks of winter to get through.
All right, well, thank you, Claire.